guys, Sofia the couponer here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the CVS Pharmacy ad preview for June 13th to the 19th. Let's get straight into the video. So as you can see here, we have our spend $30 get a $10 extra buck, spend $45 and get a $15 extra buck deal that will be returning as well next Sunday. The items that are included are Tide, we have some paper product, we have some medicine, we have some batteries, more medicine, we have L'Oreal facial care, Burt's Bees cosmetics, some summer seasonal assortment, and some cereal. Then down here, it looks like we are getting a nice deal for the Fruticus hair care. So they will be 2 for $7, and it looks like we are getting a $2 coupon from the Red Box machine, and we are getting a 3 off of 2 on Sunday. So it looks like it will be a $1 each. And then we have some more medical products that are buy one get one 50% off, buy one get one free, right? COVID test for $23.99, and then we have some Colgate that will also be on sale. We have some nuts for $4.99, and then we have some Barefoot that will also be on promotion next week. The spend 30 or spend 45 continues here. So as you can see here, it is also on select summer stuff. As long as you see it this symbol, you know that these items are part of the deal. And then we also have some buy one get one 50% off on select frozen foods. And then as you can see here, the spend 30 or spend 45 continues on this page. It also shows pictures of seasonal items that are also included. And then we have the Tide Pods on promotion. We have some cleaning that will be buy one get one 50% off. We have some Total Home $5.99 cat food. When you buy 10 get a $3 extra. We have some CVS photos buy one get one 50% off, 50% off regular retail. We have some stationery that will be buy one get one 50% off. It looks like the spend 50 get a $10 extra buck includes the DoorDash gift card, Panera Bread gift card, Spa and Wellness, Applebee's, Cabela's, Fanatics, Bass Pro Shop gift cards. So it looks like we have a lot more options this week. DoorDash, Panera Bread, and Applebee's. That is a really good one. Next week, if you want to go ahead and get a $50 gift card, you go ahead and get one for $50, and then you get back a $10 extra, making it technically $40. So then we have some liquid hand soap that will be on promotion. We have some Arm & Hammer. It'll be 2 for $5, and it looks like we're getting $1 off of 2. We have some repellent that will be on promotion. And we have some laundry detergent that will also be on promotion. And then we have some paper products. When you spend 20, you will get a $5 extra buck. And then we have some BOGO deals. It looks like we have a lot of deals on candy. When you buy one, you'll get one 50% off. Or buy one, get one free with select candy, select drinks, and select ice cream. And up here, Cheerios 2 for $5, and it looks like we're getting $1 off of 2 coupon. And then we have some coffee on promotion, more cereal, more snacks, and some more cereal. And down here, we just have a bunch of candy that will also be on promotion next week. And it looks like the natural spring water is $3.99, and it is also part of the spend 30 or spend 45 deal. And then we have some energy drinks that will be 2 for $5. And then here we have our food continued. So it looks like some sodas will be on promotion. It looks like select waters will also be part of the spend 45 or part of the spend 30 deal. And we have some more snacks that will be on promotion that includes chips, cookies, and nuts and popcorn. And here on any Neutrogena cosmetics, when you buy 2, you'll get a $6 extra buck, or when you buy 3, you'll get a $10 extra buck. And the false eyelashes, you spend 10, get a $3 extra buck, or when you spend 15, you get a $6 extra buck. Revlon cosmetics, when you buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, or when you buy 3, you'll get a $7 extra buck. Physicians formula, when you spend 20, you get a $10 extra buck. L'Oreal cosmetics, when you spend 12, you'll get a $4 extra buck. Select nail polish, when you spend 12, you'll get a $3 extra buck. And then Flower Beauty, buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy 3, you'll get a $10 extra buck. And here we have some Neutrogena facial care. When you spend 30, you'll get a $10 extra buck. We have Olay that will be $24.99. Spend 35, get a $10 extra buck. Garnier, when you buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. We have buy one get one 50% off on select body mist. These speed sticks will be at 2 for $6, and you get a $2 extra buck for 2. And then these spend 30 or spend 40. We have some CVS Health Sun Care, CVS Health or Beauty 360 facial care, any Harry's personal care or Flamingo shave products, like Conair shaver trimmers or style. And we have select Olay, Old Spice, Gillette, Secret, or Ivory personal care that will also be a part of the deal. And then the Clairol, we have a 2 for $15 a deal, and it looks like we're getting a buy one get one free coupon. So if we do get a digital, that will probably glitch, making them free. And it looks like the L'Oreal Leave will be 2 for $8. When you spend 8, you'll get a $4 extra buck. And then when you spend 15, you'll get get a $5 extra buck on select kits, and we have a 3 off of 2. Then L'Oreal will be 2 for $19. We have a $5 coupon, making that 2 for $14. Then 20, get a $5 extra buck on select Sunbum hair care. Any Nexus shampoo, when you spend $25, you get a $7 extra buck. Whole blends will be 2 for $7. You'll get a $1 extra buck for purchasing 2. And it looks like we're getting a 3 off of 2 coupon on Sunday, making them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. Select deodorants would be buy one, get one 50% off. When you spend $15, you'll get a $5 extra buck. Select Irish Spring will be 2 for $8, and you'll get a $2 extra buck for purchasing 2. And select sunscreen will be a buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you'll get a $5 extra buck, and we do have coupons for that coming. And then some more select sunscreen will be buy one, get one 50% off, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $2 extra buck. And then here on select diapers and baby products, when you spend $20, you'll get a $5 extra buck. You have some feminine care that will be buy one, get one 50% off. You have some more baby items, buy 3, get a $5 extra buck, buy one, get one 40% off. Buy one, get one 50% off with select Johnson's, Aveeno, or Destine baby items. Spend $25, get a $7 extra buck. Save $10 on a Pro Skin shaver. The Goodline Shave Grooming, when you spend $25, get a $10 extra buck. Any Chic, Edge, Skintimate, or Bulldog products, when you spend $25, you'll get a $10 extra buck. Select CVS Health or Medline Metal Canes will also be part of the spend $45 or spend $30 deal. Buy one, get one 50% off with card on select Gillette Venus disposable razors or shave prep. And then when you buy 2, you'll get a $3 extra buck. Then we have CVS Health select items like the pulse oximeters. When you buy 1, you'll get a $15 extra buck. For $24 on the Always Discreet pad. Buy one, get one 50% off on this product. And then it looks like we're getting a high value coupon for that. Then the oral care, buy one, get one 40% off. So you're getting a 5 off of 3 and a buy one, get one 50% off on select 2-pack toothpaste. And that is also part of the spend $45 and the spend $30 deal. Buy one, get one 50% off on all Polidin, Pull Grip, or Biotin. The Crest, when you buy 2, you'll get a $3 extra buck, and looks like we're getting manufacturer coupons. Listerine, when you buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and a select mouthwashes $4.99 with card. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. Then on this page, it is all about medical. So as you can see here, we have some allergy medications that will be on promotion next week, and we have some protein powders, we have some vitamins, we have some gummies that will also be on promotion. We have lots of pain relief that will also be on promotion. It looks like we're getting a bunch of coupons for all of these things, and a lot of these are also part of the spend $45 and the spend $30 deal. Then we have some select dairy products and select gold emblem products. We buy one, get one 50% off, as you can see here on the go. So it looks like we have 2 for $2 candy, 2 for $3.50 select drinks. I can't really read what that says, but I think that says 2 for $3 for select candy as well. And then we have 2 for $4 on select drinks like the lemonade, the Lipton tea, and etc. And then the 2 for $6 for Arizona iced teas and more. And then our last page, we have some more oral care up here. That is 2 for $6, buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. And as you can see here, the Clairol deal is there again. And then we have spend $20, get a $10 extra buck on Shea Moisture. And we have a 6 off of 2 coupon coming in. I think that is like one of the highest coupons that we've gotten, because we've gotten 5 off of 2. So hoping for a hair serum so I can hit that deal. CoverGirl, when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck, or when you buy 3, get a $7 extra buck. And it looks like we're getting a mystery coupon too. And we do have coupons for CoverGirl, and 20 on any Sally Hansen, get a $3 extra buck. Any Maybelline Cosmetics, when you buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. The M&Ms are 2 for $6, and it looks like we're getting a $1 coupon with the Redbox machine, making that 2 for $5. Then we have the Hallmark items that will be a buy 3, get a $3 extra buck. So those 49-cent bags do work, so those will be moneymakers. So that we have buy 2, get a $10 extra buck, and we have $3 coupons from the P&G. Select fragrances, when you buy 1, you'll get a $10 extra buck. Like Neutrogena and Aveeno Sun Care, buy 1, get 40% off. And then down here, like usual, we have all the adult stuff like the wine and alcohol. So that is it for this video, you guys. Hopefully this ad preview helps you plan out your deals for next week already, because that's what I like to do. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys check out my CVS $5 Moneymaker haul. The link will be down in the description to watch it. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!